everyone, Dzień dobry, good afternoon everybody. Just another day in Sopot. Sopot is actually another tourist spot that is nearby Gdansk. So today I'm gonna take you to stroll around. During summertime it seems like busy, and behind this actually the famous church in Sopot. Wow, I can see that there are so many people already. Let's go there. So we will go through the walking street, and over there at the end will be the beach. Baltic Ocean, right? Oh, Baltic Sea. So we start our video with this walking street. Basically, you see that on the left, a nice restaurant and so many people, and on the right actually it's kind of a gallery. Wow. On the left, on the right, so many people. So it's summer, bright, sunny, but it's not that very hot. Ooh, look at this. See, so many artists here. Oh, look at this. How many kilometers is this?
About 13 kilometers actually, if we are going from Gdańsk, you know. So it's just outside of the Gdańsk, you know.
Oh, look, so many nice ceramics, so many nice shops. And on the right, it's actually so many people. Oh, nice. Ooh. Actually, so many nice, interesting things here. Any nice restaurant. What is this in the front? Some kind of the arts. Interesting. I didn't understand. I just focus on the people actually. Wow, so nice. Oh, it's interesting actually. I never seen like this crowd before. I mean, like it was in Gdansk. It's just like probably totally the same like in Sopot. Interesting to walk on the left, on the right. Oh, nice, interesting pizza restaurant, ice cream shop. So many people. I don't know what actually people are queuing here. Ooh, people bringing the snakes. It's like in Bali, no? Oh my god. Oh, look at this guy. Oh wow. It's totally, I don't know.
It's so busy in general, no?
It's very packed of people. Look at this. You see, people on the left, on the right. Look at this one. Is this the one that in Instagram, right?
Yeah, the broken house. Or whatever it's called.
Nice.
The twist house actually.
The twist house. Oh, people bringing the floaties. It means that the ocean is close by truck. Wow. And the music, the people. Wow. On the left, on the right side. Really, I feel like I'm really the only one Asian here recording what's actually going on in Sopot. So this another Lode Mexican restaurant. Oops. What is this?
Maybe copyright.
Oh no, it's okay. So another balloon lady. Oh, look at this. Nice. Wow. Look at this. It's so busy. I don't know. For me, it's just like nowadays. I really like a place that is quieter, but yeah, as we are here, close by Gdansk, so better we come and see. And this is actually one of the tourist city in the North Poland that is very busy, right, Kochani? Because close by the Baltic Sea.
So as you can see, actually at the front there is this is like a walking promenade, not even a walking street, but the walking promenade, and simply a lot of people hanging out around. At the front of us, actually, over here there is also the place for the recovery for the older people or something like that. An entrance to the mall is at the front of us. That's some baskers and everything. There are also some famous hotels like a Sheraton Hotel and everything is here. So there's a lot of Polish people coming for holidays, but also a lot of foreigner visitors. So it's a nice place actually in Tri-City, because Tri-City is concerned from the Gdańsk, Sopot, Gdynia and many other smaller cities.
Decided to go for the coffee because Mama and Papa already feeling wants to have a coffee. And yeah, there are so many nice restaurants basically here. Yeah, let's see. Oh, we keep walking and walking. Oh wow. And look at this building. Oh yes, that's Sheraton Hotel over there. And I think this during the night. Oh, look at this dog. And I think that on the left side, during the night time will be much easier. Nice. Actually, oh, so many coffee shop as well, and then this one ice cream shop. On the left, on the right, restaurant. It's just simply tourist place. Everywhere you go, it's so many people. That's the carousel over there. Wow. And here is the souvenir shop. Oh, really? On the left also gonna be a night market. Nice. The music and yeah. Oh, look at this on the right. So many nice shop. On the left, it's nice. That's Sheraton Hotel. Oh wow, very nice. Okay. Oh, many food sellers here on the right. Wow. Oh, that's nice. Lord. Well, actually, in the front of me is the Sheraton Hotel, and there are so many shops, and then on the right, on the left side, so many nice souvenir shop, and Damian is buying the ticket. And if you want to go to the Molo is like a pier. Over there you have to buy the ticket. And yes. And what I can say that it's speechless. I mean, like they are so busy beyond my expectation. Actually, nice. So here is if you wanna go to the molo, you have to pay. That's the ticket. Actually, 10 zloty. And next to it is actually there are so many shops selling the amber stone, nice souvenir. Oh, beautiful. So many nice things. Wow. So many nice things actually. Necklace. Wow. On the left, on the right side. Wow. If you really love amber stone, this is heaven for you for the shopping. Nice. Super nice. That's another shop. Okay. Ah, that's over there is actually the beach. Kahanye, that's the ocean. Yay! So now we are in the pier. Actually, we paid around 10 zloty per person, and this is nice restaurant. Okay, so let's go there. Oh, nice! So we keep walking and walking. Look how clean is it, the beach. Nice. And also on the left side. Nice. Oh, beautiful. Look how many people are enjoying the best time here on the beach. Oh, I think there is the big ship, and here. Ah, it's gonna be nice sunset. Kohanya, it's nice to see a beautiful ocean again, and nice to see how people enjoying their time close by the ocean and enjoy the ocean breeze. Beautiful. Oh, we keep walking and walking. Ah, I see. Look at this one. Kohanya, look like a disco boat.
Yeah, they have some sort of cruise boats.
Tak. Nice. Oh, let's go there. Look like a pirate ship.
Yeah, I think actually the pirate ship is here. The ship is the attraction here. I think this coming actually he will go dock on the other side. As I remember, I was here during the winter with my parents, so I remember.
Oh, it's gonna be beautiful sunset soon. And oh, look at this. Oh, you can rent a boat as well. Nice. So actually you can rent a boat here or rent a yacht and cruise around. It's beautiful. Oh, look at this. Nice.
Also here is the restaurant on the other side,
Tak.
and then there will be the ship.
Nice, isn't it? And then you can have your party there on the yacht. Nice. And this is the price actually. Kohanya, look behind me. I think that behind me is the pirate boat. And whenever you come here, and there over there is a bar restaurant, and you can go there. And actually you can buy food, drink, and later on at certain times they will cruise around the ocean. It's just like the feeling that you are on the pirate ship. It's nice. Oh, that's the captain.
Do you like this?
See? They're gonna go soon. Ah, nice. It's so cute. Oh, look at this. Nice. Oh, you can rent for 2 zloty and watch over the ocean with that telescope actually. Nice. Oh, Kohanya, Looks, maybe she looks like the same, the one that in the Park Sawaj next to our apartment, right?
Tak.
Oh, nice. And look at that. Oh, look at this. From this perspective, you can see there are so many catamaran and any kind of ship with the sunset, beautiful sunset. Nice. I think that people are sitting here also watching, waiting for the, going to the catamaran. Nice. Oh, this catamaran gonna docking soon.
Yeah, actually he docking here. Nice, isn't it?
Tak.
Very nice catamaran.
Oh, if you want to sightseeing, that's actually the price. Nice. Oh, nice. Look at this. Ooh. And this is the ticket. 90 zloty, 60 zloty. Okay. Oh,
Look
kochanie.
at the seagull
I
behind
know.
you.
Oh, nice. Look at this Bali Katana group. Bali 40.
This is just ridiculous, isn't it?
Look. You see, there are party people also going there. Nice. I really like to see this so many kinds of boat, catamaran, people. Oh, nice. Very nice. It's beautiful. I think that many people are also having a nice party on catamaran, cruising. That's people enjoying the beach. And the thing is that there is not a high tide or big wave here, Kohani. It's so calm water, so enjoyable. Hi, thank you so much for taking me here.
No worries, sayang. I hope so you enjoy it, no?
Tak. It's so nice. It's not that super cold, but it's just like crisp air, actually,
fresh.
Crispy fresh.
And there is the crispy, the word like this one, by the way, doesn't mean
Nice.
this. Alright.
Nice.
Time to back to Poznan.
Oh wow, look at this. Wow. Kochanie. Nice. Cheese. Let's see. So in front of me is the carousel and it's getting dark and dark. You see? People singing. And here there are so many things actually. Wow. Nice. Oh wow. So that's in front of me, the Sheraton Hotel, the carousel, the fountain. Nice. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. That's behind, people also singing, dancing. That's the fountain. Nice. Beautiful. Oh, it's nice. Oh, here also is another restaurant. Kielbasa. Nice. It's so beautiful to see a beautiful sunset again with the ocean breeze. surrounded by the, I don't know what I can say, that nice beach and wow, beautiful sunset. Kohanya, I'm just speechless.
So nice.
Right, so I think that's all our video today, guys, from Sopot. It's nice city, and yeah, thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye.